When you use a post-it board like this on Canvas, there's a couple of things you need to do. The first one is you need to be able to move it from side to side. So you might not be able to see everything on your screen. Make sure that you try to scroll right, scroll left so you can see everything you're supposed to do. Now here I see 4 questions and underneath is a plus sign. So I'm going to answer each question, and when I answer, I press the plus sign right here. Now notice it says anonymous. That's because I didn't tell my name to the program. So you need to put your name in the title. So I'll put Erica, but you would put your own name. And then down here, you answer the question. So what were you doing on Saturday? This is a practice with the past progressive. So in my sentence, I'm going to be careful to use the past progressive. I was preparing online classes. That's what I was doing on Saturday. Then I'll come over here to my next one. What were you doing last week? So I have to put my name each time, otherwise your teacher won't know who is answering. So you want to get credit. What were you doing last week? We could start with last week maybe. Last week, I was taking care of my cousin's daughter. When I'm done, I just hit enter. Actually, just click out of the screen. There's other options down here, but you don't need to do any of them. So I'm going to keep clicking under each question to answer. And remember, there's 4 in this case, so I have to go all the way over here and click the last one. Now, what if I make a mistake? Like, I post my answer and then I go, oh no, I posted it, but I forgot to put my name. So you can click back on here and you can edit your post. Or it's just as easy, you could delete your post and you could do it again. Both would be fine. So then I'll remember, okay, put my name, and then I can type the answer. All right, so it should be really easy. Good luck.